Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Monday to you all. I hope everyone's doing well. The start of a fresh new week. I don't have a lot going on today. I'm just going to chill, going to relax. I do have a couple small things I'm going to do around the house. Again, nothing major. Um, but yeah, that's going to be the extent of my day. So let me tell you guys, I had started filming a couple of days ago, trying to get another vlog up for you guys. And that went south, okay, because I started feeling bad later that evening. You know, as of late yesterday, I was back to feeling like myself. Not going to rush anything. Don't know what was going on. Could have been just a stomach virus. I don't know, but I'm glad I'm feeling much better. But today, like I said, it's Monday. I need to go ahead and tackle a few things and get it out of the way early. And one of those is cooking. So I am going to cook a meal today. I'm going to cook a full meal today because I need to get some vegetables in me. The meal is going to be pretty simple. You know, I took out a couple pieces of pork chops. As a matter of fact, I started throwing them in the oven. But I'm going to go ahead and fry them because it's only two. As a matter of fact, while dinner's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get some vacuuming done. That's another one of my small projects. I've already took care of the dusting and everything. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the vacuum and stuff done while the food is cooking. But first, I need to get it all prepped. So, instead of me standing here rambling, let me go ahead, turn the cameras around, and go ahead and start washing off this meat. Ooh, okay, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and put the pork chops in this flour. I decided to use a bag today so it creates less mess. Okay, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get the rest of this stuff going. So like I said, it could slow cook. So I decided to mix some green beans and corn together. Put this stuff away. clean up my mess. Okay, y'all. I'm here at the desk. So, yeah, like I said, nothing major today. Just gonna day in the life. And of course, I think I've already mentioned to you guys my craft is sewing. One of my crafts, let me just say that. And I want to dedicate most of the day to that. Work on a project and get that finished today. Okay, y'all, we are nearing the end of the day. I did get a lot of my project done. I didn't get it finished like I anticipated, but I did put a big dent in it. But nonetheless, it will be finished by tomorrow. I had to take a break and I spent a lot of time editing. As we all know, that could be time consuming. So, since this is nearing the end of the video, what I need to do is go ahead and put food away and get my kitchen back in order. So I'm going to bring you guys along to keep me company while I tackle that. Okay, guys, kitchen is done. Food is put away. Yeah, now it's closed. Kitchen is closed. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Um, I'm going to go ahead and finish editing the last part of this vlog so I can get that posted for you guys for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I am going to finish up my project, but I will be going to the gym tomorrow. It's the day to return, so I definitely want to keep my momentum up with that. So definitely got to go to get my walk on and on the bike. Okay, so I will see you guys in the morning. Hopefully you be rested and ready to go. So until then, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I hope this vlog was entertaining enough for you guys. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate that. So with that being said, guys, I'm not going to hold you any longer. So until then, I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye, guys.